Okay guys, today is the final day that Spirit Halloween is now open. Let's go inside and let's finally do a store tour. I went here yesterday and they were not open. I have not seen a store and I don't know how long opened. It's my first time and oh my god, here we go you guys. So first up, we have the whole entire mausoleum, the archway and everything. Let's do the ringmaster first.
Come in, my foolish guests. My menacing menagerie can't wait to awaken your fears.
Can't really see his projections on the screen. You can't really see it. I mean, it's okay. It's kind of, you can kind of see it. I think the lights have to be off to see it better. Next up, we have Ghostface. I did just put my name on all of the pieces, so I will be getting all of this, everything. That's what I wanted. Here's Ghostface.
Now I see something red.
And he's kind of hitting himself in the head. I don't know why, but that's just kind of how we have it set up. Welcome to the Carnival. On the back, they have all of the animatronics. You can see them all in action. I will be getting some of these posters to take with me. I did put a lot of stuff on my list, such as the Henry Hustle poster, all the posters. Let's move towards the back ISC right here. We have the Wheel of Fate right here. Give it a little spin. Let's see what we get. We get it. Oh, lose a turn better than your head. Oh, okay, okay. Next up, we have Max Straw right here. Let's do a demo. So there's Max Straw. He's really cool. Next up, we have Giant Death Ray. This guy retails for $349. Here he is. He's pretty cool. He just lights up, makes some noises. He's pretty cool. I really like him. We'll do Towering Tallulah in a minute while she's resetting. Next up, we have the Cremator. I own this guy, and these activations are so cool. I really like these. Here's the Cremator. Oh, it's one of the buttons. Oh, here he is.
I am the scorching wind that whispers of your demise. Surrender to the flames and let the ashes carry you to unseen realms of...
So there he is. It's a little hard to hear. We have the Down the Ducks going right here. Down the Duck, as you can see on the sign. Very nice ISC. Here's Art the Clown. I did get the Party City version. I do like the Party City version better. Here's his without his glasses right there. Let's just do the demo. Here it is. Oh, his glasses are falling down. Oh no, his glasses. Oh, there they are. So he's kind of cool. His hand motion's really nice. I like his horn. His face is very latex. Moving on, we have the Crystal Ball, I would even say. The Spirit Fortunes. Very cool. The Carnival. Here's Towering Tallulah. I think she's way faster than Hellspawn. Let's get her a demo. Here she is. And that jumping animation is absolutely crazy. She's way smoother, I think, than Hellspawn. I do own Hellspawn, so I don't really know. I have to compare if I were to get her or not. But there she is. She's pretty cool. I really like her. We have some really cool plushies. The Art the Clown plushie. Let's move on to the back ISC right here. I really like these lights. Very cool. Let's start with Cotton Candy Dan.
Attention all kiddos! Attention all kiddos!
So there he is. He's very cool. I really like the lights that are inside. That jump scare is just absolutely amazing. Here's Wanda Webber. How's she going right now? She's very creepy. Right under the ticket booth with the clown that's going. As you can see. There's Wanda Webber. Very, very creepy. Moving on, here is also some really cool posters that they have on the walls right here. Very, very cool. Let's do Bobby Strings' demo. Here he is.
Who's the puppet and who pulls their strings? We'll soon find out when you're asleep tonight. I found some scissors to cut me down from here, and then I'll string you up in my place. Why, it's as simple as that. We'll have so much fun together. At least I will.
So there is Bobby Strings right there. Over here Emily and Victor should be here, but they're not here right now. Next up we have Barnaby the Bear. He's going right now. Very, very cool. I like this guy a lot. Let's go through the fun house, shall we? So let's go through. So we have the strobe lights. There's me. Hey, that's pretty cool. No projector. It smells really good in here. I don't know what scent they're using. Probably cotton candy scent. It looks so cool in these mirrors. But the drip goes hard. Very cool art. Very cool. I did put my name on these for these curtains. I really like them. Let's go all the way around to see Nibbles the clown. He should be right here with his motion activation. So let's see if he's gonna work.
Well, you caught
Nibbles?
my eye. Don't worry,
Oh, is he tracking?
your costume.
No? Nibbles, are you tracking?
You over there. Yeah, you.
Oh, there he is. There he goes. He's kind of tracking. Oh, there he is. There's the tracking. I think he's kind of broken. Oh, there he goes. So there's that tracking.
I'm home.
So there's that Nibbles tracking. Absolutely amazing. I really like that technology. They should use that more in animatronics for sure. Moving on to stock, we have 2 of the Art the Clowns. We have 2 stilts. We have 4 of the Sandworm Groundbreakers. Moving on to the back, we have 2 Max Straws, it looks like, 2 Ghostface, 2 of the Static Ghostface. I hate that prop. 4 of the Night Crawlers, not Night Crawlers, Night Terrors, horrible. Blackheart, I own this guy, absolutely love him. Dagger Mike, pretty cool. We have 3 Gravestone Ghouls, by the way, pretty cool. Let's check this Backstock. We have 1 Giant Death Ray right down there. We have a Howling Spirit, 2 Wanda Webworths, a Deadly Creeper, an Insert Coin activation switch, which is pretty cool. 2 more of the stilts. We have 2 Barnaby the Bears. We have a Ringmaster. And over here we have a lot of Pose and Stay skeletons. We have 3 of the Texas Chainsaw Massacres and 2 of the Cotton Candy Dans. I think I might get Cotton Candy Dan. I really like him. I love how fast that jump scare is. I think we have some animatronics up here we can check. But, oh, let's check. Yeah, the Gray Jumping Spider is actually one of them. And it's in stock right there. Brand new edition. But just an overall view of this whole ISC. Absolutely amazing. I'm so lucky and so glad that they did this. I'm lucky that I got my name on ISC pieces for sure. We'll be doing, definitely a viewing of all this stuff. The flag, just everything looks so amazing. Spirit did an amazing job this year. Next up, we have 1 Cerberus, 2 Howling Spirits, 4 of the Sitting Scarecrows, and 3 of the Scary Sitting Scarecrows. Then we have 5 of the Man's Possessed Friends. And yes, so I mean that's pretty much it. We'll do one more overview of all of it. It just looks very cool. But yes, I actually love this year. So I think that will wrap it up for the store tour. I'll let you guys know what I get. I'll probably be getting Cotton Candy Dan and maybe Bobby Strings or Barnaby. I'm not quite sure yet. But yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.